Hi everyone, this is going to be another tutorial video, how to go over social media and networking. So to start, you're just going to go ahead and scroll all the way bottom on the left tab and hit the networking. Once you hit connect, this is similar to the profile video that I went over. This is how you can connect with people that you're recommended with. Again, just as a refresher, the button right here with the person and the plus sign is having you send a request to connect with that person. The little chat bubble is what you can click on to chat, send a direct message to the person. So these are the people that are recommended based off how you filled out your profile and the information that you have in your profile. You can click on all attendees and these different tabs to separate those connections. The chat feature is how you can message with people. So you can go ahead and click on an attendee or search for them up here. You can include up to 5 different people in the chat, and then you'll go ahead and click start, and then you can send the message. And this gives you the opportunity to be able to chat with them. For the social feed, this is an opportunity for you to share awareness of the conference and use our hashtag CCFAC 2022 to share important news and updates with your family and friends on what you're loving about the conference or what's going on about the conference. So you can basically update your status here and share that. You can post it to the app, or if you're on Twitter, you can post to Twitter as well. And you can go through and reply to people and heart their comments as well. Next is this follow us button. These are all our different social media platforms that we are on. And we encourage you to click on each one and follow us. If you are on that social media app, we post the latest information about the foundation and about cholangiocarcinoma, involving research, news, and everything else. We'll keep you up to date. So be sure to like and subscribe and follow to all the different channels. Next thing I wanted to go over is the photo gallery, which is just listed right below networking. This is an opportunity for you to share pictures. So you can click on the take a picture button, and I'm not going to do it right now, but you can click on that and take a picture. And then the gallery is where you can see all of the pictures that are uploaded. So this is where we especially invite all of those that are participating in our Wear Green contest on Patient Day, Wednesday, February 23rd, to upload a picture of you wearing green. There are going to be prizes for random people that will be selected, so be sure to upload those photos. We also encourage you to post photos of you in your annual conference t-shirt, you enjoying the annual conference, any kind of pictures that you want. These pictures will have to be approved and moderated before they show up live. So please note that your picture will not upload automatically. It will take a few seconds, maybe up to a minute total for your picture to show up. So just be patient as we behind the scenes monitor that to make sure that all the pictures are uploaded are appropriate. And that is kind of how you can get involved as far as social media and networking.